How to update Darkest Days application on your Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Darkest Days and want to make sure you are using the latest version, then first of all, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store on your device. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now, go ahead and tap the search icon and then in the search bar type in Darkest Days. From the search results that appears on the screen, go ahead and expand the Darkest Days app. Now, go ahead and tap on Update if available. If you see the Update button, tap on it immediately. Once you do that, you will be able to update your Darkest Days application on your Android or iOS. If you don't see the Update button, it means that you already have updated to the latest version, so there is no need to be updating right now. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.